everyone. My name is Miss Choate and I'm an art teacher and I'm going to be doing crafts with you after Rhyme Time with Miss Nucha. And so today, what was the letter? Do you guys remember from Miss Nucha's video? It was A. And I know she talked about really fun things like apples and acorns. So we're going to be doing a handprint apple tree. We're going to be tracing our hand onto brown paper or white paper that you color brown. And we're going to be putting our fingerprints all over a piece of green circle paper to do the apples. Now, if you don't have green paper, you can also color your white paper in with a green marker or crayon. So remember, these crafts we're going to be doing after rhyme time, they're going to be supplies you have around your house. I'm going to try to give you alternatives because I want to make sure that you can do it with whatever you might have. So let's go get started. The first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a piece of brown paper and a piece of green paper. If you don't have those, like this in person looks a little bit brown, and this is kind of a really bright green. You could use 2 pieces of white paper and color it in, but I'm going to use this one. So the first thing we're going to do, you have your 2 pieces of paper. We're going to be tracing our hand. Now I recommend you trace your hand in pencil because otherwise marker will get on you. So we're going to trace our hand plus our wrist. And the wrist is going to be the trunk, and the fingers are going to be the branches of the tree. So we're going to go ahead and trace. You might need somebody to help you. Make sure your fingers are spread out really nice and wide. You can go over your tracing a couple of times just to make sure you have it nice. So there we go, and I can fix my wrist area. We want that to be the trunk of the tree. You can fix the fingers because we're going to be cutting this out. So this is great scissor practice. So I'm going to go ahead, grab my scissors, and cut this out. Now that we have our hand cut out, we're going to trace, we're going to have a green circle around our hand. So we can kind of put it here to make sure we want it as big as possible. So I'm going to be drawing my circle as big as this page can fit. And now we're going to cut that out. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue our hand down to our page. Now remember, if you only had white paper, you should color it before you cut it out. I do realize that this looks so white on camera. I really want you guys to see a brown trunk. So I can go ahead and color that in before we glue it on. So let's go ahead and put some glue on the fingers and a little bit on the palm. We'll put it right there in the middle and press it on down. Now we're ready to add our apples to our apple tree. So now it doesn't matter what kind of paint you have, if you have acrylic, if you have watercolor, we're just going to put it on our finger and we're going to do a little bit of finger painting. So our apples are going to be our fingertips. And I'm just having some fun putting them around. You could also go ahead if you want to add some green apples, like maybe some of the apples haven't turned ripe yet. Or there are certain apples that are green even when they are ripe. So I'm going to go ahead, clean off my finger, maybe switch over to a little bit of a green. Or maybe you can put your leaves as well. And there we go. We have our cute handprint apple tree. I hope you had fun today making your handprint apple tree. I know I had a blast, and I hope to see you with us next time for Rhyme Time and Craft with Miss Choate. So remember, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe so you get notified every time we put up a new video, and comment below to let me know, what did you like? Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. What do you want to see for B or C or D? I know what I want to see for D. I want to do something with a dog. So I hope to see you next time with Craft and Rhyme Time. and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!